Hello, taco lovers. Today we are talking about Gemulichkeit, which is comfort, and we are making some Migas tacos. Migas is just eggs and fried corn tortillas. It's very good. We have it many mornings whenever we have people over, just whenever we get up in the mornings on weekends. It's quick and easy to make. Gemulichkeit is the German sense of comfort, similar to Hygge, the Danish sense of comfort. As we're going into Thanksgiving week, that's something that we probably want to keep in mind because many of us may be feeling uncomfortable with a large crowd of people, with people that we don't necessarily agree with all the time. And so, to get that comfort, you want to find your own relaxing space. If you can't do that in the environment, you can set up a comfort space in your mind. Think of a place that makes you happy, that makes you relaxed. Maybe it's the beach, the mountains, somewhere you went on vacation, being with someone. Concentrate on that and think through that. And whenever you are feeling overwhelmed or uncomfortable, think back to those memories and relax for a minute. And try this out now. It's so good. Make some comfort food this Thanksgiving and find a reason to be together with the people that you love. Have a great day.